Have you ever heard of eating a rainbow of vegetables and fruits, or color your diet? That's because no single food can provide us with the variety of nutrients we need. Different vitamins and nutrients are associated with different colors of food. That is why it is important to select a variety of colors of fruits and vegetables. In this video, we will be talking about the different colors of fruits and vegetables and their health benefits. Green. Green fruits and vegetables are colored by a pigment called chlorophyll. This pigment is present in green vegetables and other plant-based foods like algae. The greener the vegetable is, the higher is its chlorophyll content. The benefits of chlorophyll on the human body are still in the early stages of investigation. However, research has already found that these compounds does indeed provide certain health benefits like antioxidant effects. Chlorophyll has antioxidant properties even though they're not as strong as those found in other nutrients like vitamin C and E. Some studies show that regular intake of leafy green vegetables help to increase antioxidants in the bloodstream. Yellowish to orange. Yellow to orange coloring to foods like carrots, egg yolk, corn, and squash are colored by pigment called carotenoids. There are about 600 to 750 naturally occurring carotenoids, but among the most common dietary carotenoids include alpha-carotene, beta-carotene, beta-cryptosantine, lutein, zeaxanthin, and lycopene. Carotenoids are beneficial antioxidants that can protect you from disease and enhance your immune system. Provitamin A carotenoids, alpha-carotene, beta-carotene, and beta-cryptosantine can be converted to vitamin A, which is essential for growth, immune system function, and eye health. Eating carotenoid-rich foods can protect the healthy cells in the eye and prevent the growth of cancerous cells. Increasing the amount of lutein and zeaxanthin in your diet may be protective in the eye disease because they absorb damaging blue light that enters the eye. Carotenoids are antioxidants, lowering the inflammation in the body. Though it's still being researched, carotenoids' anti-inflammatory properties have been associated with improving cardiovascular health. Some studies have shown that carotenoids can help reduce your risk of developing atherosclerosis, the buildup of plaque in your artery walls that eventually narrows your blood vessels. Hypertension, glucose intolerance, and abdominal obesity are all risk factors for atherosclerosis, and studies have shown that carotenoids help to improve these risk factors. Carotenoids have been associated with lowering cancer risk. Increasing carotenoids via your diet can increase the amount of antioxidants and protective cells in your body. This is significant when battling cancer and may be able to prevent cancer growth. Most skin aging is caused by UV radiation from sunlight. Studies have shown that carotenoids, when consumed, are stored up in your skin and serve as a line of defense against skin damage from UV radiation. It's suggested that lycopene and beta-carotene specifically provide this skin protection. Red. Tomatoes, pink grapefruit, watermelon, and guava contain the carotenoid lycopene, a red pigment. This may inhibit the growth of cancer cells in several ways, including stimulating the immune system to battle cancer cells, blocking the destructive action of free radicals in the body, and lowering the potency of the male hormone testosterone, which can fuel prostate cancer. Reddish blue, purple, and black. Anthocyanins are responsible for the colors red, purple, and blue in fruits like berries, currants, and grapes. Red to purplish blue colored leafy vegetables, grains, roots, and tubers are the edible vegetables that contain a high level of anthocyanins. Scientific studies such as cell structure studies, animal models, and human clinical trials show that anthocyanidins and anthocyanins possess an antioxidative and antimicrobial activities, improve visual and neurological health, and protect against various non-communicable diseases. Anthocyanins have been reported as having capacity to lower blood pressure, improve visual acuity, reduce cancer cell proliferation, inhibit tumor formation, prevent diabetes, lower the risk of cardiovascular disease, modulate cognitive and motor function. These are also reported to have anti-inflammatory and antibacterial activity. White or pale yellowish. Anthocyanins are white or pale yellowish, water-soluble pigments found in plant cell sap. They contribute the cream or white color of cauliflower, onions, white potatoes, and turnips. According to research, consuming foods rich in anthocyanins have been found to reduce stroke risk, promote heart health, prevent cancer, reduce inflammation, reduce cholesterol and blood pressure, promote eye health, and help maintain a strong immune system. Those undergoing treatment for complex corneal diseases whose underlying eye health condition is caused or aggravated by inflammation might find increased symptom relief by including more anthocyanin-rich foods in their diets. In general, a healthy eating plan full of fruits and vegetables can help lower your risk of many serious and chronic health conditions, including heart disease, obesity, high blood pressure, diabetes, and some types of cancer. Colorful, delicious, and nutritious foods also help keep our bodies and minds healthier.